In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to secure your PayPal account with a full tutorial. We all know that in today's digital age, protecting our financial information is more important than ever. Let's dive right into the steps to make your PayPal account more secure. First, let's start by navigating to PayPal's main page. Open your preferred web browser and go to the PayPal website. Once you're there, you'll see a login button at the top right corner. Go ahead and click on it. You will then be prompted to enter your email address and password associated with your PayPal account. This is the starting point of securing your account, as you want to ensure that only you have access to this information. After successfully logging in, you might encounter a security prompt. PayPal often recommends using two-step verification for an added layer of security. You'll have the option to receive a verification code either via a WhatsApp message or a regular text message. This code is essential for confirming your identity and adds an extra step that protects your account from unauthorized access. Once you have passed any security prompts, you'll find yourself on the PayPal homepage. From here, the next step in securing your account is to go to Settings. You can find the settings option by clicking on the gear icon typically located at the top right of the page. This will open a new menu with various account settings. Within the settings menu, you will find a tab labeled Security. Clicking on this will take you to a page dedicated to various security features offered by PayPal. This is where you manage aspects like your password, two-step verification, and security questions. Now focus on the option for two-step verification. Clicking on this will guide you through setting up an extra layer of protection. Here, you will confirm your choice to enable two-step verification. This process usually involves selecting a mobile number where PayPal will send a unique code each time you log in. Enter your mobile number and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. Having completed these steps, you have now fortified your PayPal account with enhanced security measures. This means that even if someone obtained your password, they would still need access to the verification code sent to your phone. It is a simple yet effective way to enhance the security of your financial information. Remember, taking the time to implement these security features can save you a lot of potential hassle in the future. Always keep your device and software updated to guard against any new security vulnerabilities. Thank you for following along, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful in securing your PayPal account. Stay safe online and have a great day.